Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Today we are going to study class 8 mathematics exercise 3.2 question number 7. So what's question number 7 is that in a class of 55 students, 34 like to play cricket and 30 like to play hockey. Also each student likes to play at least one of two games. How many students like to play both games? There is a class and there are 55 students in that class, and out of these 55 students, 34 students like to play cricket match and 30 students like to play hockey, and each student will participate in the at least one of the two games. Each student have to participate in any game. How many students will like to play both games? But we have to find how many students will like to play both of these games. So now move towards solution of this question. Let's come. So we have written the given data of question number 7, that is we have total students 55 and number of students like to play cricket 34. N of C representing cardinality of students like to play cricket, number of students like to play cricket. Similarly, H is representing, N of H is representing a number of students like to play hockey, and since each student have to participate in at least one of the two games, so students appearing in both games will be equals to total number of students in that class, because each student have to participate. So number of students in C and H playing cricket and hockey will be 55. Now what we have to find here, we have to find how many students will like to play both of games. Both means how many students like to play cricket and also hockey. Students that will appear in cricket match and also in hockey. So there we will apply the operation of intersection. Wherever in the sets problems we get the word both. Both mean there will be the operation of intersection here. So we have to find number of students in C intersection H. Now come how to find it. There is we have basically one formula to find the cardinality of A union B. If we have two sets A and B, so how to find the cardinality of A union B? That's equals to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements that are common to both A and B. So this is the basically formula of that one. Number of elements in set A, number of elements in set B minus number of elements that are common in both sets. So now we have to apply this formula on this scenario that we are given. So it will become number of elements in C union H equals to number of elements in C plus number of elements in H minus number of elements in C intersection H. Now replace the data that is given. C union H equals to 55. Number of elements in C 34. Number of elements in H 30. And this one we have to find. This is the answer. Now this is 55, 34 and 30 equals to 64 minus N of C intersection H. Since we have to find this, we have to apply the rule of transposition here. We have shifted it towards right hand side and it will become towards left hand side. We have shifted it towards left hand side, it will become positive, and this 55 will be shifted towards right hand side, it will become negative. Now 64 minus 55 will be equals to 9. It means 9 students will like to play both of these games, cricket and hockey. Similarly, here is given next question, that is in a group of 500 employees, 250 can speak Urdu, 150 can speak English and 50 can speak Punjabi. Now there are three sets. Urdu, English, Punjabi. There are given 3 sets. 40 can speak Urdu and English. 30 can speak English and Punjabi. 10 can speak Urdu and Punjabi. Now check, wherever the word of and, here we have to apply the operation of intersection. We have to apply here the operation of intersection. How many can speak all 3 languages? You have to find basically how many students, how many employees can speak all 3 languages, Urdu and English and Punjabi. This one you have to find, and you have given total number of employees 500, number of employees in Urdu and of you 250. Similarly, you will write all the data of this. And for 3 groups, 3 sets, how we apply the formula of this one, that is also mentioned. I am going to give you formula. You will solve it by yourself. Yes, here formula is given in the book, page number 51. That is number of elements in 3 sets, union of 3 sets, M, P and C, if there are given 3 sets, equals to firstly number of elements in first set, second set, third set, M, P and C. Then subtract intersection of 2 sets, M intersection P, P intersection C, C intersection M. Subtract these intersection of 2 sets, and then add intersection of all 3 sets, M intersection P intersection C. You have to add it. So you will apply this formula, or you can also apply this one, that is the simplified form of this. So you can use this or this formula and you will solve that question by this formula.